Nagla-live kayo.
Kayo na yung mag-ano, kayo na yung mag-on cam, di na ako mag-on cam, sabihin nyo na lang kung ano.
Dali. Kano po kayo?
Welcome.
Where are we? What's up guys, Alex from technoclass.com here, coming to you from Mega Mall? Mega Mall?
Kuya.
Oo. Nasa frame ka ba? Ayun, nasa frame ka. Anong ginagawa natin? Oh, Tagalog, I'm sorry. Where are we? What are we doing?
We're here to mamasyal sa bago concept store ng Asus.
Rent out na Bino.
Ha?
What are we doing?
We're here to buy the most expensive gadget. Sama.
Kuya Gian,
Hello.
what's up?
I'm fine.
We're here at the new ROG store, and Alex will buy a GX 700.
Woo!
Yeah.
GX 700? What's that?
That's I don't know.
We're at the ROG store, Asus ROG store here in Mega Mall. Maraming dumadaan, wala tayong magagawa. Nasa gitna tayo ng mall. Mismong gitna tayo ng mall, guys. Bukas na yung Asus ROG store. Ano masasabi mo?
It's actually a really nice looking concept store, and finally I think it's the first one
First in the Philippines.
Yan.
Asus.
Oh. And proud to see it firsthand. Ayun.
But basically, if gusto nyo tumingin ng gaming laptop,
Yeah,
Next
all the
time.
ROG system, peripherals and everything that you can find it here.
G-Sync monitor,
Yeah, everything.
Uh,
All the high-end gaming peripherals or the gadgets.
graphics cards,
Products of ROG.
motherboard,
Ayun, nandito sila lahat.
mouse,
Keyboard.
mousepad.
Mousepad. Maghanap ako ng mousepad.
Yun. So, sa gitna tayo Mega Mall, this is Cyberzone, so check it out. Wala na akong ibang masabi kasi basically that's it eh. Yun lang naman, nag-a-adlib lang kami ni B-Boy.
Ayan, meron tayo Asus girl sa likod.
Hello. Sorry, instorbo kayo. Instorbo nyo rin ako eh. Yun na po, ayoko na. Tapos na, bye-bye. Alex from technoclass.com here. Si B-Boy nanggugulo ng focus. Thank you, bye-bye.